Hello students, good morning. We are live now. Shreyasi has joined. Good morning, Shreyasi. So Matthew, Abhinandan, Navishri has joined. Is my audio and video clear? Okay, thanks for the confirmation. So we'll just wait. Aditya has also joined. Okay, I can see 9 of you have joined. Nathan has joined. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Okay, let's start. So in today's class, we are going to do statistics. We are going to do statistics. In statistics, we have to do mean, median, and mode. These three measures of central tendencies. So these three measures of central tendencies we have to learn. In this class, mainly I will not go in too much of depth what is mean, what is median, what is mode. I will not go into that. I'll just help you to solve the questions. So basically in today's class, we are going to do multiple choice questions and assertion reason based question. So these type of questions we will do. I'll just tell you what is mean. Mean is the average of any quantity. Mean is the average. So here we will learn three ways how to find mean. So first method is direct method. Second is shortcut method. And third method is step deviation method. So we'll learn to find mean with the help of these three methods. Then for median and mode, only graphical method is there. Only graphical method is there. For median, the graph which will help us to find median, that is the OG graph for median. And for mode, it is histogram. So with the help of histogram, we'll learn how to find mode, and with the help of OGIF, we'll learn to find median. So let's start. Other than anything, while doing questions only, I'll be explaining. So let's start from the first question, and it depends on the time how it goes. If we will be left with more time, then I will start with the subjective type of questions also. So the first one is mean. So those questions I'll start in today's class only. It depends on the time. So first of all, let's do MCQs and assertion and reason based questions. Yes, so first question, which of the following cannot be determined graphically for a grouped frequency distribution? So graphically, which of the following cannot be determined? So here itself I have told you while giving introduction also, mean we have to find using the formulas. Median and mode, and there is one another quantity which is known as quartiles. Quartiles also, with the help of ogive graph only, we have to find. So the quantity which you cannot find using a graph is mean. Yes, Shreyasi has already given the answer. Mean we cannot find graphically. So that means option D is the correct answer. Let's do second question now. For a given 25 variables, so they are arranged x1, the 25 variables, we have x1, x2, x3 up to x25. Variable means some numbers or some quantities. Assertion, to find the median of the given variate needs to be arranged in ascending or descending order. So what is the assertion statement? Assertion statement says whenever we have to find median, this is especially for ungrouped data. For ungrouped data, whenever we have to find median, we have to arrange the given numbers in ascending order. So that's what it says. It has to be arranged either in ascending or descending order. So yes, that means this one is true. Like I have explained you, whenever we find median, we have to arrange the given set of numbers or the given data in ascending order. So that's what the assertion statement is telling us. The median is the central most term of the arranged data. So that is also true. That is also true. Median is the central most data. For example, if I have, so like I'm just giving the example which they have given. If 25 numbers are there, if 25 numbers are there like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 25 numbers I'm just writing in ascending order. So median is the central most. So which one is the central most? Both are true. Yes, so both are true. Only Sivu Shankar and Jayashree has given the answer. So central most is which one? So 13th one is the central most. The quantity or the number which lies exactly at the center. So median is the central most quantity. So these things you have to remember. So here both are true. So C option is the correct. So while calculating median, we have to arrange the given data in ascending order, and median is always the central most values. Let's do next question now. Question number 3. The median of a grouped frequency distribution is found graphically by drawing. See, this is direct question by cumulative frequency curve. Median, I have told you, median we can find with the help of ogive curve. So that the other name of the ogive curve is cumulative frequency curve. So both the things are same. So median with the help of cumulative frequency curve we find. The other name of that is ogive. So option D is the correct answer. Ogiv's other name is cumulative frequency curve. It's not frequency polygon. It's cumulative frequency curve. Option D. Yes, so median of the given distribution. So it's median class we have to find. See, for finding median, before median, we have to find the median class. We have to find the median class. Here you can see class intervals are there. So basically when we will solve the questions, you will be getting the data like this. Because here we will do maximum questions where grouped data is there. Grouping you can see it's done when class intervals are there. So median class how to find? So here I'll just tell you, for finding median, we will find cumulative frequency. That's why the name of the curve is cumulative frequency curve. For finding median, we will find cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, how to find? So frequencies we have to add. So first frequency will be same. So like this we can add. Next cumulative frequency is the 2 plus 4. Next one, it is 4 plus 3. So in a slant way we will add. First one is same. Then this first getting added with the next one. So 2 plus 4 is 6. I just wrote directly 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. So we have to add. Now 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 14. And you can see 14 is the total also. If you add all, you will be getting total also as 14. How to find median class now? See, now 14 is the total of the frequencies. So that is, I can say n is equals to 14. So n by 2 I have to find. I have to find n by 2. So n by 2 is equals to 14 by 2, which is equals to 7. Now in cumulative frequency you have to see that particular frequency which is above 7 or which is more than 7. The cumulative frequency which is more than 7. First of all, you have to find cumulative frequency. After finding cumulative frequency, you just have to find n by 2. N by 2 is 14 by 2, which is equals to 7. Now you have to find that cumulative frequency which is more than 7. Here more than 7 is 9. More than 7 is 9. So in front of 9 you see which class interval is there. So the class interval in front of 9 is 20 to 30. This interval is known as median class. This interval is known as median class. I hope it's clear how to find median class. So many times this type of questions has come in board exam, so you should know how to find median class. 20 to 30, option C is the correct answer. Option C. So we have to find n by 2 in cumulative frequency. More than n by 2 we have to find. Here n by 2 was 7, so more than 7 was 9. So in front of 9, whichever class interval is there, that class interval is known as median class. So option C. Yes, so question number 5th. The model class of the distribution. So model class also, median class and model class, you know how to find. See, model class, how to find. Model class, I'll just take the previous example only. You just have to see, like in previous question, one distribution is there. You just have to see for calculating mod which one has the highest frequency. Which interval has the highest frequency. Now frequencies which we have 2, 4, 3, 5. So highest frequency, I can say 5 is the highest frequency. 5 out of all the frequencies, you have to find out the highest frequency, and in front of highest frequency whichever class interval is there. Here 30 to 40 is the class interval. So 30 to 40 is the class interval corresponding to highest frequency. So that class interval is known as model class. So the class interval which is corresponding to the highest frequency, it is known as model class. Now let's come to this question. So the model class of the given distribution always corresponds to, yes, so you can answer now this question. I can see some of you are only answering. You can answer because MCQs we are doing. So I want everyone of to answer. So which option should be the correct option? In previous example, I have shown you how to find model class. In previous one, I have shown you how to find model class. So corresponding to highest frequency. Yes, so interval with the highest frequency. Yes, so Saida, Hasiba has given the answer option A and Yatin has given the answer A option. So interval with the highest frequency is the model class. Yes. So I hope this is clear. Let's do next question. Cumulative frequency is also known. This also you might be knowing. Yes, Abhinandan has also given. So what will be the answer of question 6? I have already explained this one. We have done also. So what is the other name of cumulative frequency curve? Cumulative frequencies curves other name. Yes, so ogive is the other name. Its pronunciation is ogive. The other name is ogive. So option B. Let's do next question. Question number 7. So question number says, what is the relationship? What is the relationship between mean, median and mode? This thing you can just remember as a formula only. I'll tell you directly. See, mode is equals to 3 median. Mode is equals to 3 times median minus 2 mean. So this is the relationship. You can remember, you should know. So mode is equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. So which option, that means the correct option? Where do you see, in which option you see this relation? Yes, so B option. B option is the correct one. So, and you have to remember also, this relation is very important. If you know any two, third one you can find. So 3 times median minus 2 times mean. Let's do next question. So this same relation we have to use in this question also. The median of the set of the median of the set of 9 distinct observations. So how many observations are there? Number of observations. Number of observations equals to 9. If each of the largest observation of the set is increased by 2, median is also given to us. Median is equals to 20.5. Now see, for finding median, I'll tell you, for finding median, earlier also I told you, we arrange the given numbers in ascending order. We arrange the given numbers in ascending order. So here, if the 9 numbers are there, suppose x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, x8, x9. So these set of numbers or these variates we have arranged in ascending order. So when we are finding median, whenever we are finding median, this is for ungrouped data, especially you should know for MCQ type of questions. When we have number of terms equals to odd, like in this case. So median, which we will, median, it will be n plus 1 by 2, that particular term. So in this case, as number of terms are odd, so which term will be median? Which term will be median? So 9 plus 1 by 2, that particular term. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 by 2 is equals to 5. So fifth term. So that means fifth term is the median. Here fifth term is the median. This is when n is equals to odd. Now if they are telling, if they are increasing the largest 4 observations. So largest 4 observations are these 4 observation only, because the given data is in ascending order. So that means 6, 7, 8 and 9th observations, these are the largest observations. These are the largest observations. So if they are changing the largest observations, then the median of the new set, do you think the median will increase or median will decrease or median will change? No, because we are not making any change to fifth. So we are making change. So if you are doing any change to these or these ones also, or first 4 or last 4, if you are changing first 4 or last 4, there will not be any change to median. So median will remain same. Yes. So which option do you think will be the correct option then? So first one says median is increased by 2, which is not going to happen. Second says median is decreased by 2, again not going to happen. Is 2 times the original. So that's we have seen the median remains the same. So that means D option is the correct option. Yes. Shreyasi, Shivashankar and Jayashree has given the answer. D option, as mean will only change if fifth observation is changed. So fifth observation is not at all changed. So here itself I'll tell you, when n is even also, because I am just explaining this thing. So formula I'll tell you for ungrouped data. Formula for ungrouped data when n is even. If n is even, so median, it is n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1, that term, divided by 2. So that is the median when number of terms are even. We'll come across this type of questions also, that time I'll do. As of now, you can just make a note of the formula of calculating median when the number of terms are even. Let's do next question now. Mod and mean are given to us. Median we have to see. So what is the value of mod? Mod is equals to 12k and mean is given as, mean is 15k. So median we have to find. See, there itself in this class itself I have given you one relation. I have given you one relation between mean, median and mod. So what is the relation? Can anyone tell in the chat? What's the relation between median, mod and mean? Today itself we have done in this class itself. No one. So the relation which we did, yes. So Jayashree has given, even Navyashri, mod is equals to 3 median, 3 times median or 3 into median minus 2 into mean. This is the relation we have done. We can just substitute the value here. Mod is 12k. Median we have to find. So 3 into median as it is, I'll write. Or if you want, you can assume median as x. So 3x I'll be writing now. Median, let median be x. Let median is equals to x minus 2 mean. Mean is 2 into mean. What is the value of mean given to us? 15k. So 12k is equals to 3x minus 2 into 15 is 30k. Now we have to find the value of median. That means x we have to find. So let's shift like terms to same side. So 12k and 30k, they are like terms. So minus 30, when we shift to other side, it will become positive 30. Negative 30, when we shift to other side, positive 30, which is equals to 3x. So 12 plus 30, 12 plus 30, it's 42k. 42k is equals to 3x. Now x we have to find, so 3 will be shifting to other side. So 42k divided by 3. Because this 3 here, it's getting multiplied. When we shift it to other side, it will get divided. So 20, when we divide this thing, we'll get 14k as the answer. So x, which is median, this is equals to 14k. So B option is the correct option. So before me, Navya, Yatin, Shreyasi has given, yes. So many of you have given the answer before me. So x is equals to 14k and x was median. So B option is the correct option. Let's do next one now. Question number 10th. So mean of 100 items is 49. Mean of 100. This is for ungrouped data, and in MCQs you can just get this thing. Means formula for ungrouped, I'll tell you. Here in this chapter, most of the questions will be for grouped data, which will be of 3 mark or 4 mark questions. But for MCQs, means formula you can remember. Mean is equals to sum of observations, divided by number of observations. So this is the formula of mean for ungrouped data. Now what is the value of mean given to us? Mean is given to us. First of all, question I'll explain mean of 100 items. Mean is given to us as 49. Mean is 49 and number of items. Number of items, how many n I'm writing? So 100 are there. So what it was discovered that three items which should have been 60, 70 and 80. So three items which should have been as 60, 70, 80. These were wrongly read as 40, 20 and 50. So some of the observations they were read wrongly. So that means if the items be read wrong, that means the mean also it is wrong. So correct mean we have to find. So what we will do in these type of questions, first of all sum we will find. Sum of 100 observations. Sum of 100 observations we will find here. Number of, because we know mean and we know number of observations also for wrong one. So 100 when I shift to other side, here it is getting divided. When I shift it to other side, it will get multiplied. So 49 into 100, it is equals to sum of 100 observations. So sum of 100 observations, which is equals to 4900. Now I have to find correct mean. Correct mean means again I should know what I should know. I should know sum of observations, correct sum of observations and number of observations. So again I'll make use of this for sum I'll find. So sum of 100 observations we found wrong observations. How much we found? 4900. See in this 4900, some of the numbers they were wrongly observed. So these we will just subtract. So which of the numbers were wrongly observed or wrongly read? So those numbers were 40, 20 and 50. I'll just subtract these numbers. From this one, I'll just subtract the numbers which were read wrongly. So I'll just 4900. So this if you add also, because minus minus plus, so minus 40 minus 20 minus 60, again minus 60 minus 50 minus minus plus, so 4900 minus 110. So Shiv Shankar has given 4790. I want others also to check. So directly now I am writing 4970. So this is the sum. When the wrong ones I am just subtracting, because I don't need those ones. Those were read wrong. Okay. So now I will be finding mean. Now let's find mean by using this formula only. So sum we know it is 4007. What is the sum? 4970 or 4790? Okay, 4790. When we subtracted wrong ones, but we have to add the correct ones also. Sum means we have to add the correct ones also. In this sum, I will just add the correct one, 60 plus 70 plus 80 and divided by number of observations, which are 100. Okay, just add this one now. So this is 4790. So 60 plus 70, it is 130. 60 plus 70, 130 plus 80 when I have to do, this is 210. 210 by 100. Now 4790 by 210. It is 5000 by 100. Just keep on checking the calculations. 5000 by 100, two zeros will get cancelled. So 50 we will get. Yes. 50 is the correct mean. 50 is the correct mean. So I'll just explain you recap of this question or these type of questions. How to do, I'll just give you a recap. First of all, find the sum. First of all, find the sum using the formula. Then from sum, subtract wrong observations. subtract wrong observations, and then in sum you add correct ones. And then you will be able to find the mean. That's what we did. First of all, we found the sum was 4900. Wrong observations 40, 20 and 50 we subtracted from the sum. We got 4790. In this sum we just added the correct observation, which are 60, 70 and 80, and we found the mean. Let's do next question. So MCQs, we are done with 10 questions. We have done this type of MCQs you can expect. Now let's do assertion and reason. So 5 questions of assertion and reason will do. In MCQs also we did one question of assertion and reason. Today's class strength is very less. Only 13. Very nice. Okay, let's do the first one. So assertion, reasons, options are given for next 5 questions. These options you have to consider. A is true, R is false is the first option. Second option, A is false, R is true. Both A and R are true. Both A and R are false. So these are the options you have to consider. So what is the assertion of first question? So one table is given to us, that means grouped data is given to us. So what is the statement given to us? The difference of the upper limit of the median class and lower limit of the model class. See, in class interval like 65 to 85, it's a class interval. In class interval, this one it is known as lower limit. First one is known as lower limit and this one is known as upper limit. In class interval, the first one is known as lower limit, the next one is known as upper limit. And now here there's some difference we have to find between upper limit of median class and lower limit of model class. Okay, so let's find median class first of all. I hope you remember how to find median class. Median class, how to find? We have to find cumulative frequency. Here itself I'll make a column. We have to find cumulative frequency whenever we have to find median class. So cumulative frequency I'm going to find. First one is same. First one is 4. Then we have to slanting way we have to add this one plus the next frequency. These two we have to add. 4 plus 5 is 9. Now these two we have to add. 9 plus 13 is 22. Now this one I have to add 22 plus 20. This is 42. 42 plus 14, and you can check also because in addition I might go wrong somewhere. 4 plus 2, 6. 56. 56 plus 7, 63. 63 plus 4, 67. So is it correct? For median class, we have to find the cumulative frequency. So just check, cross check of my cumulative frequency. Now n by 2. It's correct. Okay, so n is here 67. The last one of median, the last one is 67. N's value we got 67. So 67 by 2 we will find. 67 by 2 is what? 6 into 3. 6 into 33.5. Is it 33.5? Now more than 33, then more than this one I have to check in the cumulative frequency. I got n by 2 as 33.5. More than this in cumulative frequency is 42. More than this is 42. So just opposite to 42, the class interval is the median class. So median class is 125 to 145. I hope you have understood. So median class we have found. Median class is very, very important. I hope you have understood. If anyone has any doubt how to find median class, you can tell me. Now model class we'll find. Because we have to find the difference between upper limit of median class and lower limit of model class. So model class will find. Model class, for finding model class, I told you very easy way. You just have to say highest frequency. So which one is the highest frequency here? Which one is the highest frequency? In frequency table, cumulative frequency we don't need. We just need frequency. So in frequency, you see the highest frequency. So highest frequency is 20. Highest frequency is 20. Yes. So that means in front of 20, whichever class is there, that is the model class. So model class is also 125 minus 125 to 145. Yes, so difference we can find. So upper limit of median class, that is 145. Upper limit is this one. Median class and model class, by coincidentally in this question it is same. Model class lower limit is 125. So if you subtract this, you will be getting 20. When you are doing this subtraction, you are getting 20. So that's what it is mentioned in first statement also, that the difference is 20. That means assertion is true. A is true. A is true. Now what is the reason here? R. The median class and model class of group data always be different. So median class, and do you think median class and model class, they are always different? See in previous here this they came same. You see this same one is a median class also and the same one as a model class also. So they are not always different. Sometimes, like as we did some in previous question, I think in some MCQ I showed you. So I'll show you once again. And this one model class and median class both were different. 20 to 30 was the median class. This one was the median class as this one was the model class. So in this question, both were different. But in the question which we are doing now, they are same. So they can be same, they can be different also. It is not confirmed that always they will be same or always they will be different. So here A is true, R is false. So that means which option? A option. Yes. So option A, and just make sure whenever you are attempting this question, you have to write the option also. So A option is the correct option. Let's do next one now. So one table is there. They have mentioned here mean of the above data is 12.9, and in the above table reason is model class is 16 to 19. So reason you can tell me first, because for mean I will tell you a method how to find mean, because this is grouped data and from here itself I'll start explaining the full process only how to find mean. And the first method I'll explain direct method. Direct method of finding mean. First of all, reason you can tell me. So they are telling model class is 16 to 19. So is it correct? Is it correct? Which one is the model class? Highest frequency is 10. Opposite to highest frequency, which class is there? 16 to 19. So that means R is true here. In this question, R is true. Now let's find the A statement. A statement, we have to find the mean, because then only we'll come to know whether mean is correct or not. They have already given us the mean of the above data is. I'll just write now table class interval I am writing. In this question, the first method of calculating mean I am going to explain, that is direct method. So class interval is 4 to 7. Class interval. Then first of all, one new term I'll tell you here. X. What is X? Then frequency I'll write. Okay, so class intervals 4 to 7, 8 to 11, 12 to 15, 16 to 19. If you see here class intervals, You see here the class intervals. The first interval is 4 to 7. Second is 8 to 11. See, I should have the interval like this 4 to 7, 7 to like so continuity should be there. Here upper limit and the next one's lower limit. They should be same. They should be same. Here in this question they are not same. The upper limit and the lower limit of the next one should be same. So if they are not same, we have to make them same. How to make them same? Because this type of class intervals, they are known as discrete intervals. These are known as discrete intervals. This type of class intervals are discrete intervals. We have to make them continuous. So continuous, how we will make? You have to see what is the difference. Here you just have to, from all the lower limits you have to subtract 0.5, and in all the upper limits you have to add 0.5. Because what is the difference here? What is the difference? Here difference between these two is 1. So half into the difference we will add or subtract. Half into the difference. So half into 1. Difference you can see 7 and 8, 1 is the difference. 11 and 12, 1 is the difference. 15 and 16, 1 is the difference. So half of 1 is 0.5. So 0.5 from all the lower ones we have to subtract. 0.5 in all the upper ones we have to add. So what we will get here? 4. From 4 if I subtract 0.5, this will become 3.5. Yes, 3.52, and in 7 if I add it will become 7.5. Now first one you have to find, remaining ones like that only you can write. See, whatever now here, the same one will be here also. 7.5 to 11.5. Now here also you will get 11.5. So here 15.5, 15 if you add 0.5 it will be 15.5, and here you will be getting same 15.5 to 19.5. So these are the actual class intervals or true class intervals. Better actual or true you can write. Whenever class intervals are discrete, you have to convert them into true class intervals. I hope you have understood how to convert. Yes, so Shreyasi has already written also. So if anyone has any doubt, you can tell me. This is very, very important. Most of the questions you have to do this thing. Whenever discrete intervals are there, you have to convert the discrete intervals into continuous ones. I hope I am clear here. Now another term which you should know is class mark, that we write as x. Small x I am going to write. Now whenever intervals are there, class mark we have to find. So class mark how we will find? We will add upper limit and lower limit of the interval and we'll divide it by 2. For example, first one, 3.5 plus 7.5. We will add upper limit and lower limit of the interval. So what we will get here? 11. And we'll divide it by 2. We'll divide it by 2. So 11 divided by 2, what we'll get? 5.5. Now next one, add upper limit and lower limit and divide it by 2. So 7.5 by 11.5. If you add them, 5 plus 5, 10, 8, 9. This is 19. Yes, so 19 divided by 2. 19 divided by 2, what you will get here? If you divide 19 by 2, what you will get? I don't want any, I want to see the responses over here. 9.5. Yes, so Shreyasi has given the answer 9.5. Directly also, I'll tell you here, 4 and 7, their difference is 3. Yes, 9.5. What about the next interval? Next interval, add upper limit and lower limit and divide it by 2. So 11.5 plus 15.5, 13.5. Shiva Shankar has given the answer. Others can also check. What about the last one? 15.5 plus 19.5 divided by 2. 17.5. So we found the class mark. We found the class mark. Now we have to, frequency is already given to us. I'll just write. So corresponding frequencies, I'm writing 5, 4, 9, 10. Now for direct one, we have to find product of frequency and class mark. We have to find product of frequency and class mark. So class mark, like these two will multiply now. Multiplication answers, I want you to give me little fast. 5.5 into 5. So this is the method which I am teaching you is direct method of calculating mean. Direct method of calculating mean I am teaching. So first of all, class mark is very important. Then we'll multiply class mark with the frequency. So 5.5 into 27.5. Okay, 27.5. The next one 9.5 into 4. 9.5 into 4. 38. Okay, next one 13.5 into 9. I'm not doing calculations, just your answers I'm writing. 38. Next one 13 point. So it is 121.5. 121.5. Next one it is 175. Next one 175. Now I need the total of frequency and total of fx. So what is the total of frequency? 5 plus 4 plus 9 plus 10. Total of frequency 28. Total of frequency we can write as sigma f. So that is 28. Total of fx we can write as sigma fx. You can just add these all. 28 is the total of frequency as you people are answering. So same one I am considering. 362. So Monisha has given the, I want others also to give the answer. 362 of the total of fx. Yes. Now what is the formula? Means formula. Direct methods means formula. Mean we can write by x bar. Mean we can write by x bar. This is the symbol we can use. So formula is sigma fx by sigma f. So sum of fx by summation of f. So now I can just substitute. So this is 362 and their values as we have calculated here 362 by 28. We can just divide. So here if you want calculation cancellation we can do. So 2 stable we can do cancellation. 2 into 14. 2 1 16 8 181. 181 by 14. Just divide this two and tell me the answer. I think it will be in decimals. Directly also you can divide. So what is the answer? Actually you have to divide and tell. 12.92 as Yatin has given the answer. So 12.928. Okay, so 12.928 we can just write as 12.93 also we can round it off. 12.928 we can round it off as 12.93. So that means first one is also true here. The given mean is correct. R we already discussed that R is also true. So which option should be the correct answer for this one? Mean is also, so it was little lengthy because I was explaining you. When you will be aware with the process, you can solve it yourself. and it will not take that much of time. So which option? Option C is the correct one. A is also true. R is also true. Let's do next one. Next question. Next question we have to do by using this relation, which I told you earlier also in this class itself. Mod is equals to 3 into median minus 2 mean. This relation we have to use. So if the median of the series exceeds mean by 3, so that means what is median? What is median? Median is exceeding mean by 3. Exceeds means plus. So median is 3 plus mean. Some particular series is there or some sequence is there in that median is exceeding by mean by 3 and mod exceeds by 10. In terms of mean, if I write, mod is 10 plus mean and median is 3 plus mean. Exceed means plus. So I hope this is clear. So we just, what we can do, mod we can find. This we have to check whether it is true or not. First one, we'll just substitute median's value. So 3 into median is what? 3 plus mean. 3 plus mean. If they're telling median is exceeding mean by 3, then mod will increase mean by 10. So let's find it out. In terms of mean, we'll just find mod. So 3 into 3, 9 plus this will multiply with both. 3 into mean is 3 mean minus 2 mean. So mod what I'll get? 9 plus. So these are like terms. So 3 times mean minus 2 times mean. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 mean I can just write as mean also. I can just write it as mean also. So we got to know if median is increased by 3 from mean, that case mod is 9 plus mean. But what they have given, mod is 10 plus mean. It exceeds the mean by 10. So tell me first one, is it true or false? So it doesn't exceed by 10, it exceeds by 9. So that means A is false. A is false. Next one, again by using the same relation only we have to do. Some values are given to us. We will just check whether the values are correct or wrong. So same relation, mod is given to us. Mod and mean is given to us. Median we have to find. And median's value they have mentioned 11.13 it should be. Okay, I'll just substitute. Mod is 12.4. Mod is 12.4. Median we have to find. Median I'll be writing as it is 2 into mean. Mean is 10.5. So 2 into 10.5. So 12.4 is equals to 3 median or 3 into median minus 2 into 10.5. 2 into 10.5 if I do. So what I'll get? 21.0. So that means 21. 21 let's shift to other side. So other side when I shift it will become plus 21. This is equals to 3 median. So when we add these two, what we will get? 33.4. 33.4 is equals to 3. Let's shift 3 also to this side divided by 3. So median we can find now. So what is the value of median we will get? After dividing, what you will get? I think after dividing you will get 11.3 only. So median you will get 11.1333. So 13 we can consider. So which is the given value also, which is the given value. They have mentioned if mod is 12.4 and mean is 10.5, then median is 11.13. So yes, it is true. So this one is true. So which option should be the correct option? A is false, R is true. Which option? I've shown you the options for this one. Which option should be correct? B option. A is false and R is true is B option. You have to write the option as well. Let's do next one. So this question, very simple question. First of all, consider the following table, the upper limit of the model class. So model class, I want you people to tell me in this table which one is model class. Which one is model class? So table is in front of you. Which one is the model class? So 20 to 30, as you people are answering, yes, 20 to 30, because highest frequency you have to see. Highest frequency is 20, just in front of that. The class is 20 to 30. So 20 to 30 is the model class. Very good. Some students, they have given the answer. Shreyasi, Tarun, Shivashankar and Jayashree. So now upper limit is 30. So is it true? Upper limit is 30 only. Upper limit is 30, lower is 20. So that means this is true. If the in the above table the class mark of the model class. So how to find class mark? So class mark of the model class, they are telling it is 25. How to find class mark? A is true. So I have told you how to find class mark. Upper limit and lower limit you have to add. So 20 plus 30 divided by 2. 20 plus 30 divided by 2. So class mark, how to find? You have to add both the limits and divide it by 2. So 50 by 2. So x, which is class mark, this is equals to 25. So that means this one is also true. A is true, R is also true. So which option is the correct one? Option C. Option C is correct. A is true, R is also true. A is false. Is A is false? You know, Shivashankar is telling A is false. How come A is false? 30 is lower limit. Upper limit is 20. What is the confusion? See, lower limit is this one. This one is lower limit. The one which is written on left side is lower limit, and the one which is written on right side is the upper limit. So the statement says upper limit is 30. Upper limit is 20. How come I am not able to see? Upper limit of the model class is 30. According to me, it's not 30 to 40 in front of the highest frequency. Highest frequency is 20. Opposite to 20, the class is 20 to 30. Understood. Okay. So here when the class interval is there, lower limit is on the left side and upper limit is on the right side. So I hope this is clear to Shivashankar also. I don't know why this confusion. Earlier also I told you this thing. Okay, okay. Okay, no problem. I hope your doubt is clear. Now let's do the next question. Question 5. This is the last question of assertion and reason. Yes, in every question, left side is upper limit. In every question, right side is upper limit and left side is lower limit. Just remember. Because in MCQs, you can expect the questions of upper limit and lower limit. You don't have to see you have to remember it is in ascending order. First lower, then upper. The limits written, they are in ascending order. This question, assertion, what is given? The median class is 40 to 60. So for median class, we have to find cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency we can find. So first frequency is same, then this way we have to add 15 plus 18, 5 plus 8, 3. 33, you just check the calculations. Then 33 plus 21, 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 2, 5. Then 54 plus 29, 9 plus 4, 13, 3 plus 5, 8. Then 7 plus 3, 10. So cumulative frequency I have found. You can see now. Just check the calculations if it is correct. So the last of the cumulative frequency is also the total of this one. You can always check. So here I got the value of n as 100 for median class, because here the question is about median class. So median class, let's see who will find before me, because many times I have already explained in today's class itself. So median class, how to find? First of all, n by 2 we have to find. So n by 2 means 100 by 2, which is 50. Above 50, CF you have to see. Above 50. Above 50. Yes, Shivashankar has given the answer 40 to 60. Very good. Before me, he gave. Median class is 40 to 60 only. Just in cumulative frequency, you have to see which frequency is more than 50. Here 54 is more than 50. So just opposite to that, you have to say which class interval is there. So median class is 40 to 60. So that means this is true. First one is true. Yes. In the above table, the sum of model class. Okay, so again, see in model class. So which one is model class? The sum of model class is 140. So in this one, which is model class? R is true. Okay, so but first of all, tell me which one is model class. Both are true. Both are true, but I want to know model class. Yes, 60 to 80 is the model class. Highest frequency you have to see. Highest frequency is 29. Opposite to 29, the class interval is 60 to 80. So 60 to 80 is the model class. They are telling sum of the model class. So sum of the model class means both the intervals, when you are adding 60 plus 80, when you are doing, you are getting answer as 140. Yes, so that's also true. So this is true. First one is also true. So C option is the correct option. Till here, anyone, any doubt? Yes, option C, both are correct. Okay, now mean we will find few questions we will do up to 7:30. I'll take class if you are okay. If anyone wants me to end the class now, I just want only because the strength is also less. So in this chapters, we have to learn how to find mean. Mean already one method I have discussed. No doubts. Okay, if you people, if anyone wants me not to continue in next class you want to do, then also tell me or else continue. Do you all want? I will not do more questions up to 7:30. Let's see how many questions are possible. Because mean three methods are there. One I have already explained. So apart from three methods, some missing type of frequency type of questions are also there. No doubts. Okay. So let's continue then. Means second method, which is shortcut method. So shortcut method we will do here in this question, because you have to be very particular about all the methods here. In question they will mention, like you see in this question also they have mentioned, calculate the mean distribution using the shortcut method. So all the methods you should be aware with. So class interval is given to us. I'll draw the table here once again. Class interval is there. So class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. In calculating mean, we need class mark. In calculating mean, we always need class mark. Yes, so I continued, but many of you already left also. See the class strength. So class mark, how to find? We can add both and divide it by 2. So class mark is very important. So 0 plus 10 divided by 2. So 10 by 2 is 5. So here I am writing 5. Then 10 plus 20 divided by 2. So 30 by 2, 15. So like this you can do. Another way also I'll tell you here. Another way also I'll tell. So 0 to 10, 0 to 10 or 10 to 20, 30 to 20 to 30, 30 to 40. What is the difference in each of the class? So that is known as class size. So class size here it is 10. As you can see in all the intervals, you can see the difference. Difference is of 10. You can simply add here. So plus 10 is the class size. You can keep on adding 10, 10 in that. First class mark you can find. Like 5. 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 plus 10 is 25. 25 plus 10, 35. 35 plus 10, 45. 45 plus 10, 55. So first class mark you find, then just add the class size in that. So like this, easily you can find the class mark. Now frequency, we know frequency, it's given to us. So I'll write 3, 8, 14, 9, 4, 2. Frequency I have written. Now in this one we have to find deviation. We write it as D. Deviation we have to find. Deviation how to find? Deviation we'll find by x minus a we will do. Where a is known as the assumed mean. Where a is known as the assumed mean. Assumed mean from class mark we have to decide. I'll be writing here as well. A is known as assumed mean. So xi, why I have written I will be from I means it can be 1 also, can be 2 also, 3 also, 4 also, 5 also. So generally I have just written as xi. So you can write here xi minus a. So from x, just the middle one you have to choose. So like here how many x we have? 1, 2, 3. This one is x1, this is x2, this is x3, x4, x5 and x6. So 6 are there. Middle, these two comes in the middle, 25 and 35, because even number of terms, so these two comes in the middle. Anyone we can assume as A. Anyone, when it comes, the answer will be same. So let's assume 25A, I am just assuming as 25. If you assume it as 35 also, still the answer will be same. So A I am writing as 25. So first one, 5 minus 25. So x1. 5 minus 25. From x, don't subtract from frequency. Somewhere I have seen some students, they do mistake from frequency, they will. This is particularly with x. So 5 minus 25. What is 5 minus 25? Minus 20. Can I write directly? I hope you will understand. This is minus 20. So next one is 15 minus. Next x2. 15 minus 25. 15 minus 25 is how much? Minus 10. Don't ignore the sign over here. So it's negative 10. Then 25 minus 25. So for next one, so this is 0. Yes, then 35 minus 25, it's 10. 45 minus 25, it's 20. 55 minus 25, it's 30. Yes. It's not 29, I think. Shreyasi, it's 20. So deviation we have found. Now we have to find FD. FD we have to find, that means F into D. So if anyone has any doubt, you can just tell me. It was very easy. Only from X we just subtracted this. I was writing that side. And always you will be getting this type of deviations only. First negatives, then positives. It will be always this only, you have to remember. Because Jayashree, you have written the opposite. So F into D. F is 3. Now 3 into minus 20. FD means these two you will be multiplying now. So this is minus 60, minus 80, 14 into 0, 0, 9 into 10, 90. This is 80. This is 60. F till FD, if anyone has any doubt, you can just tell me. Anyone, any doubt? Yes. Now what we have to do, we have to add FD. So total we have to do. So this total is very, so all you have to add. See, plus 60 and minus 60 will get cancelled. Minus 80 and plus 80 will get cancelled. So what we are left with? 90. We are left with 90. So this 90 is what? Total of FD. So total of FD here, how we will write? Sigma FD. Sigma FD is equals to 90. So sigma F also you have to tell me total of frequency, sigma F. Total of frequency is sigma F. Just add all the frequencies and tell me what we will get. Yes, so summation of frequency, sum of F is 40. So I hope it is visible. I'll just write. Now what's the formula of mean? This is shortcut method. Don't forget, the method which we are doing is shortcut method. Shortcut method formula I'm going to tell. Means formula. Means symbol is x bar. Mean is x bar. So x bar is equals to A. A is assumed mean plus sigma FD divided by sigma F. So this is the formula of mean by shortcut method. So A's value we assumed as 25 plus sigma FD we found as 90. Sigma F is 40. So I have just substituted the values. Now we can just simplify this thing. 25 plus, it's always better to convert this fraction into decimals. It's better to convert this fraction into decimals. So when you divide 9 by 4, you will get 0.25. Am I correct? Yes, 0.25 you will get. 2.25 you will get, not 0.25. 2.25. So when you add this to 25 plus 2.25, So answer is 27.25. So mean x bar is equals to 2.25, 27.25. Yes, I corrected it. So shortcut method we have learned. I hope you have understood. If anyone has any doubt, you can just tell me. So let's do next question if no doubts. So this will be the last question. So here third method I am going to teach, because this question says find the mean using step deviation method. Find the mean using step deviation method. So we have learned direct method and we have learned shortcut method. And now the third method we are going to learn, which is step deviation method. And if anyone comes across any doubts in these methods, you can go through these questions once again. And question number, this 2 is the last question of today's class. So I'm just going to write class interval first of all. Class interval is given to us as 85 to 90, 90 to 95, 95 to 100, 100 to 105, 105 to 110. This is the class interval. We have to find now class mark. Class mark I am writing as x. For mean, class mark is very important. So our intervals are continuous. You can see here upper limits and lower limits, they are matching. So that means intervals are continuous. When intervals are continuous, directly we can find class mark. How to find class mark? First of all, here you have to understand what is class size here. What is class size? Class size is the difference of the upper limit and lower limit. Like 90 minus 85, 95 minus 90, 100 minus 95, 105 minus 100, 110 minus 15. So class size you can find. Here class size is 5. In this question, class size is 5. So first one, class mark 85 plus 90 divided by 2. So if you add 5 plus 0, 8 plus 9, 75, 175 by 2. So 87.5 you will get. So first class mark is 87.5. Now class size you keep on adding. First one I told you, you have to just find. First one we have found. Now keep on adding plus 5 in this one. If you add 5 in this one, what you will get? 92.5. Just add class size. So here you will get 92.5. When again you add 5, you will get 97.5. When you add again 5, you can get 102.5, and this is 107.5. You just have to keep on adding 5, and class mark you can find. Just cross check all my class marks. Now frequency is already given to us. Number of days means it's the frequency. Number of days, frequency. So that's already given to us. Before that, let's find here deviation. Deviation here I'll be writing. So deviation first of all let's find, like we did in the previous question. So deviation is xi minus a. So A here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So easily the central one we can assume as A. The middle one we can assume as A. So A I am just assuming as 97.5. A I am assuming as 97.5. So deviation we'll find first of all. So first one is 87. X value is 87.5 minus A. A is 97.5. So what we will get? What I will get? Minus 10. minus 10. So like we did in previous question in shortcut method, first of all I am finding deviation. So deviation is this x, this number minus a. Again here also a is 92.5 or 97.5. So from a, from all of x's you have to subtract a. So 92.5 minus 97.5. So this you will get minus 5. Minus 5, here you will get 0 and here you will get 5 and 10. So whatever negatives you are getting, same positives you will get. You can just remember again as a hint, whatever negatives, same positives you will get, and in this with this difference only. So minus 10, minus 5, then 0, 5, 10. Now after this one more column, t we will find. You can write it as t. That deviation divided by class size. Deviation divided by class size. So D we have found and class size also we know. So S I am writing deviation divided by class size. So here what is the class size? Class size is 5. So minus 10 divided by 5. So this is equals to minus 2. Minus 5 divided by 5. This is equals to minus 1. So 0 divided by anything is 0 only. Now 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So how we found this T column? By just dividing deviation by class size. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 I have found. If anyone has any doubt, you can tell me. It's very easy. So this T column we have found. Now I'm just going to write frequency here. Frequency is given to us 12, 10, 8, 15, 5. Now here we need FT. FT means F into T. So these two will just multiply. See, F frequency I didn't write at the starting. Now only I am writing. So as per my requirements I have written. So 2 into minus 2 into 12 minus 24 minus 1 into 10 minus 10. 8 into 0 is 0. 15 into 1 is 15. 5 into 2 is 30. So here we need sigma ft, summation of ft and sigma f also we need. That both we need. So that you have to tell me, if I add these two, I'll get my answer as minus 34 because minus minus plus with a minus sign. If I add these two, I'll get 45. Now 45 minus 34 I have to do. 45 minus 34, 5 minus 4, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. Summation of ft is 9 minus 14. How come I am getting 11 and you people are getting 9? Anywhere, any mistake if I have done, just let me know. How come 9? This is 45 and this is negative 34. So 45 minus 34 if we do, how much we'll get? 45 minus 34. 5 minus 1 is 5 minus 4 is 11. 1. 4 minus 3 is also 1. 2 into 5 is okay. 2 into 5 I wrote 30. It is 10. It's 10. Okay, 2 into 5, 10. Here I did wrong. So it is 25. So 25 minus 34. So this is 9 only. Yes. So negative 9. Negative 9. Don't ignore the sign here. Negative 9. Sum of f is 45. Sum of f is 45. Is it correct? 50. Is it 50 or 45? Shibu Shankar is telling 50 and Shreyasi is telling 45. I want other student also to just answer. What is the sum? This is 12 plus 8 is 20 plus 10, 30. 50 it should be. Yes, sum is 50, not 45. It's 50. See, this table is very, very important when you are doing this question, and in your board exam also you have to draw this table. When you are drawing, it should not be done with pencil, it should be done with pen only. This is not any rough part. This is the part of the question. With pen you have to write. Now here I am just going to clear this because I don't have that much of space over here. Now formula, I'll tell you. What is the formula of mean? Mean is x bar. It is equals to A plus sigma ft by sigma f into class size here. Class size with h also you can write, or let's write it with h only. So this is the formula. Now let's do substitution here. So A's value we assumed as 97.5 plus sigma ft is -9, sigma f is 50, height is 5. This class size is 5. So this you can write in bracket. So I can do cancellation over here. 5 into 1, 5 into 10, and this 97.5. Here I can convert this into decimal. Plus minus is minus, two signs together. We can convert it into single sign. So plus minus minus, and 9 by 10 I can write it in decimals as 0.9. Because 10 is there, from right side I have to count one digit and put decimal. So 0.9 it will become. So when we do it subtraction, 97.5 minus 0.9. So here this is 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. Here 6 I am left with. So 96.6 is the answer. 96.6 is the mean of the given data or given group of data. 96.6. Yes, so this third question you can take as a practice question, and you can do this with any method. Question number 3. This one is a practice question. You can try this question with all three methods. All three methods means direct method, shortcut, and step deviation. And you can figure out that the answer with all the methods is same only. You are not getting any different answer with different method. So try this question with all the methods, and you can post your answers also in the comments once you are solving this question. I hope you have taken the screenshot of this question. So have you taken screenshot? Okay. I hope you have understood the concept. Statistics is very, very important from board's point of view because the questions are very lengthy. You have to do. Main thing is time management over here. So if you have understood, please do more and more practice whenever you are getting time. Some practice questions I will be sharing afterwards also. Okay, so I think it's already 7:30. I'll just end the class now. So bye everyone. I'll see you in my next class.